In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom emoji in Slack, step by step, so you can personalize your workspace and make your team conversations more fun and expressive. Custom emojis are perfect for inside jokes, team reactions, brand logos, or just adding a little personality to your Slack channels. This works on desktop and web versions of Slack, and you don't need any special tools to do it. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser or Slack desktop app and go to your Slack homepage. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to add the custom emoji, because emojis are added per workspace, not globally across all Slack accounts. Once you're inside Slack, navigate to any channel or direct message. It doesn't matter which one you choose, because we're just using it to access the emoji menu. Next, look at the message text box at the bottom of the screen. On the right side of the text box, you'll see a small emoji icon. Go ahead and click on that emoji icon to open the emoji picker. This is the same menu you normally use to insert standard Slack emojis into your messages. When the emoji picker opens, you'll see all the default emojis, along with any custom emojis that already exist in your workspace. Now, look for the option that says Add Emoji. This is usually located at the bottom or side of the emoji picker. Click on Add Emoji to open the Custom Emoji Management page. On the Custom Emoji page, you'll see an option to upload a new image. Click on Upload Image and then choose the image file you want to use as your custom emoji from your computer. For best results, Slack recommends using a square image, ideally 128 by 128 pixels, with a transparent background if possible. PNG files work especially well, but Slack also supports JPEG and GIF formats. Once your image is uploaded, you'll need to give your emoji a name. This name is important because it's what you'll type between colons to use the emoji in chats. For example, if you name it party_parrot, you'll type :party_parrot: to use it. Choose a name that's simple, descriptive, and easy for your team to remember. Avoid spaces and use underscores if needed. After naming your emoji, double-check the preview to make sure everything looks right. If you're happy with it, click on the Save button. And that's it. Your new custom emoji is now set and ready to use in your Slack workspace. You can immediately start using it in any channel or direct message by opening the emoji picker or typing its name directly into the chat. If you ever want to manage or delete custom emojis later, you can return to the Add Emoji section and view all the emojis your workspace has created. This is especially useful for cleaning up old or unused emojis over time. And that's how you create a custom emoji in Slack in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Slack tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.